There are three types of people in the world: those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who ask, what happened? You don't want to be in group three. There are also three types of goal setters: those who don't set them at all, those who set them but don't achieve them, and those who set them and achieve them. The group that sets them and achieves them is the group that makes things happen. The group that sets them but does not achieve them is the group that watches things happen, and the group that doesn't set them at all is the group left wondering what happened. Which group do you see yourself in? The purpose of a business is to give you your ideal life. Unfortunately, most agents give their life to the business. There was a day when you obtained your license and started selling real estate. There'll be a day you stop. When you stop, will it be on your terms or someone else's? Remember, if you don't plan your life, someone else will be happy to do it for you. A successful life plan is achieved in an intentional, thoughtful, and well-planned way. It's a process. When you attend the 8-step goal planning and achievement event, you will learn the process used by successful CEOs and top producers that gets them the result they want and demand. There is a saying, you cannot manage what you don't measure. When you manage and measure your activities and your results, you control your outcome and your destiny. I hope to see you there. Here are the details. Thank you. Now go mind your own business.
The 8-step goal setting and achievement process Skills for Success event is on Wednesday, November 14th, 2018 from 10 a.m. to noon, plus a Q&A from noon to 1 p.m. with lunch. Broadcast across Texas and live at the Real Estate Business School, 8828 Research Boulevard, Austin, Texas 78758. Free event includes free lunch.